carefully, please. Okay, today we'll talk about comparative degree and superlative degree. What is comparative degree? When you talk about adjective, okay? What is tall? Tall is an adjective, okay? What is tall? Tall is an adjective. So there are some degrees of, this is an adjective. So tall is an adjective. What is adjective? Adjectives, they always tell us more about nouns. Okay, it will tell us more about nouns. For example, the girl is tall. So the word tall, that is adjective, it is telling us how is the girl. Is the girl tall? Is the girl short? Is the girl you can tell anything. You can say the girl is beautiful, the girl is pretty, the girl is shy. You can use any adjective which is suitable to you. So adjectives, they have two degrees. The first one is comparative degree, the second one is superlative degree. Now what is comparative degree? Comparative degree is whenever you are comparing two things together. As I said, for example, the girl is tall, okay? So, for example, if I say Judy, I will take an example from your class. Judy is taller than, for example, we say Rital, for example, okay? The point to be noted is that whenever you are doing this thing, you should note that what you will note that you will add with the tall er, okay, and then you will use the word than. Whenever you see, when you are comparing two things, that Judy is taller than Rital, okay, Judy is taller than Rital. So this is what you will add, that Judy is taller than Rital. So if you notice that we added er for the comparative degree, and then we use the word than, that is an, okay? Now we are comparing Judy. For example, we will say here, now we are comparing Judy with many people. Like, for example, I will write a sentence here and you will understand more. I will say, Judy is the tallest girl in the class. Now, how many students in the class? I think we have 30, how many is given here? 28, 29 students we have in the class, okay? So what we will say, we'll say Judy is the tallest girl in all the class. Now you're comparing Judy with all the class, all the people who are in the class, you're comparing her with all of them. Now, if you notice that we added here, see here, we added est, see, but there is no word than here, okay? Now we will write all this in the notebook. So did you understand what is the meaning of comparative and superlative degree? These two degrees are the degrees of adjective. Yesterday, in the last lecture, we learned what is the meaning of adjective. Adjective means, adjectives are the words that will tell you more about nouns, okay? What is the meaning of noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing, okay? So in this sentence, if you ask what is a noun, so the word girl is noun. You can also mention some name here. If you want to write a name of some person, as I wrote here, Judy. So let's write here, this is a noun, okay? Please write this in your notebooks. Take out your notebooks and start writing. So what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. When you add adjective to the nouns, that they will describe more about noun. They will tell you what kind of noun is that. If you remember, I gave you example. For example, if there are many bags on one table or one chair, and I will ask you people to go and bring my bag. So of course, you people will ask me, teacher, which one is your bag? So I have to explain that bag. I will tell you it's a big bag, it's black in color, it has some spot on it. maybe it has some dots on it, maybe it has some patterns on it, maybe it has flowers on it. Okay, so this is called what? This is called adjective. Okay, then adjective has two types. Okay, the first one is when you are comparing what is the comparative degree and superlative degree. So these are two types. So what is comparative degree? Comparative degree is when you are comparing two people or two things or maybe two cities, any two things you are, for example, you can say Jeddah is the biggest city than Taif. Okay, sorry, is a bigger city than Taif. I'm sorry. You'll say that Jeddah is a bigger city than Taif, or you can say Taif is a smaller city than Jeddah. Okay. Now, if you talk about superlative degree, it means you're comparing one thing with many things. For example, you say Riyadh is the biggest city of Saudi Arabia. Okay. Now see here, if you look at your exercise, the first one is, what is the first sentence? Which is the biggest continent in the world? Now see, in the world. What is the meaning of in the world? It means they are comparing the continent with all the world. See, it is comparing it with all the world. They are not comparing it with one thing or two things. Okay, they are comparing it here with many things. Okay, so which is the biggest continent in the world? Look at next one. Which is the, now in the world again, we have the word in the world. Okay, like you say, who is the, so here we write the superlative degree. Okay, who is the dash child in the class? See, who is the tallest child in the class, because you're comparing it with many people. When you read the sentence, you will understand they're asking about superlative degree or comparative degree. Who is the person, who is the funniest person, you know? Okay, now this is also, all these blanks, they need the word that is superlative. So let's write, look here, remember girls, whenever you see Y, you remove Y and you add I on the place of Y. Okay, let's write. Now the first one is dry. The end of dry is, we'll write here E-R. So I will remove Y and I will add I-E-S-T. Can you see here? When you will add E-S-T. See here? So I added here I-E-S-T. Driest. Can you see here in the superlative degree? Next one is tall, tallest. T-A-L-L-E-S-T. Okay.